guys, so as you can see, here's the finished product. I'm just letting the glue dry. Filming this on my cell phone, so that's why the footage is a little bit shaky. I had to drill out the top of the pins here and then take a screwdriver and tap to get the bottom piece out. This part here comes out as a disc, which I then had to clean up. I cleaned up the old wheel, that's in the bin now, put the new wheel in. Then I just super glued the first part, the bottom part, to the wheel. And then this part, this top disc, I set on as close to the pins as I could. And you'll see there's quite a lot of excess glue coming out here. So I'll clean that up later, but I put as much glue as I could. So the reason I'm using super glue and not something like Pratley steel is because I want to be able to fix this again later. I've got a spare wheel, I put another picture of that. So this should hopefully fix the self-cancelling Tex Magna-Lite on my Series IIa. So yeah, all this still should show the various different components. It's really only about 3 pieces. It's this disc, the ring, and then the bottom part. Now, I've seen some of the guys have tapped and put screws in to hold this down. This is probably a good idea for later, but there's so little material on these posts, I'm a little bit nervous to drill any more. So my plan is, if this wheel goes again and I get a replacement, I can just use a screwdriver, pop that off, clean it up with some acetone, take the old wheel off, clean up the other side with acetone, glue it all back together. I did clamp it with one of my pliers earlier to get this as close as possible. But yeah, we'll leave this to dry for a few sort of minutes, maybe an hour or so, and then I'll put the thing back together and give it a test. Cheers for now. Hey guys, so this is what the replacement wheel looks like. It's exactly the same as the original part. So the disc, this part here, rests here, and then this is recessed for the other component that fits through. So the posts fit through here. Now ideally, in the factory, these would have been taller, so they would have just put them in a sort of a vise and just pinned them down, and that would have spread it across the disc. So unfortunately, in order to replace this wheel, I've had to drill through those pins at the top. So I've got all the screws and this replacement wheel. This is my spare. While this is drying, I've got all the loose bits in here. I was just giving this a bit of a clean. I'm 2 minds to spray it, but I think I'm gonna, it was originally black, it looks like. It's a very funny material, so it was sprayed with a Hammerite silver. I might just leave it like this. We really just want to get the thing working, but I don't want to change the look of the item. So this glue is still drying, but yeah, we'll put it back together just now, and yeah, I'm going to take it for a test drive, and I won't be able to film it. That's a little bit difficult in this vehicle, but I'm hoping that this should definitely work, and I'm hoping that this rubber will last a long time. The original rubber was, what is this, a 65? So that original rubber was ancient, about 54 years old. So it's lasted. So I'm hoping this will last just as long. But let's see how we go. Cheers for now. All right, it's all back together. Let's test. Hear the indicator clicking there. And excellent. Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more and be kept up to date, please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to my channel. With your help, we can get this project complete and move on to the next one. Bye for now.